Hello and welcome to BLACKHIVE. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to edit a PDF file using a free website. Before we get started, cue in the intro. Hello and welcome to BLACKHIVE. If you're a new subscriber and joining us for the first time, welcome. You're joining a community of people that are looking to learn digital skills. And if you are a returning subscriber, you know what it is. We're learning digital skills, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, go to www.pdfescape.com and you can use the free online version of it to upload your PDF document. And you can check out my screen what I have for you and how to upload and edit the PDF file. You can actually insert text into the PDF document, and you can use the whiteout to actually remove things that you want to remove from the PDF file. The whiteout actually have to be tactic because you have to make sure that if your PDF file has lines, it doesn't overlap into those lines. So when you look at the left hand side, you've got text, you have whiteout, image, and the other tabs. Whatever is highlighted orange is what your cursor is going to be using. So if your cursor is still on whiteout, make sure that you go back to text to actually insert the text. And you've got the undo and redo options at the top so that you can remove the things that you've done. You can actually also insert your digital signature into any document. If you haven't checked out my video on how to create a digital signature, do check it out. I do a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a digital signature, your personal digital signature. And then you can come back to this video and insert your digital signature. Your digital signature you can insert by clicking on the image and highlighting that, and then browsing to your digital signature. You can actually adjust that digital signature into your specified measurements or where you want to fit it. Then on the left hand side you have a save button, that save icon that we have on Excel and other Microsoft documents. You can use that, or you can use the download. The green is the download. It actually downloads it into a download folder onto your computer. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also you can leave me a comment down below and let me know what you want me to cover or what you would like to learn in your digital skills learning journey. Thank you. I'll see you in another video.